All right, let's get this motor put back together. All right, there we are, put back together, and all cleaned up, no more parts everywhere. So let's move on to getting the 3-1 yanked out of this. Alright, so I don't even remember where I left off. I've been out in the shop for about 2 weeks. So what we're going to do, jack it up, pull all the suspension, get the motor yanked out, and get it ready to start putting strut blocks, plates, and all that stuff on. While the motor's out, it's easy to work on, and we'll hopefully get the fresh motor in by the end of this one. So let's get at it. Had to test the strengths of some wires and exhaust there. Still got a few up. Okay, we really got this down. Sure we got it. All right, there we are. Tested the strength of some hoses and wires and exhaust pipes and stuff, but it's out. Probably, I don't know what was leaking on this side, but it's pretty nasty down there. I'm thinking I'm probably going to pull this thing outside and give it a wash. I don't know if I'll get that tonight or not, but we'll see. Pretty grimy down here, but get this all cleaned up under here, and like I said, get ready for some strut blocks, plate, wire, all the things that make these cars tough. So we'll come back to that. All right, back with another quick update. Got a bunch of the welding done, a bunch of the work inside the engine bay. Got a bumper on there. Seam welded a 70s Chrysler bumper for it, so we'll see how that holds up. Rods in, and plates done on the frame rails. Ended up going with 6 out of the 8 plates that were allowed. So we'll see how it holds up, and then got a couple plates left over just in case we tweak her a little bit. Yeah, so I think we're pretty much ready to get this motor dragged over, get it ready to go in, and we'll get this all buttoned up. As you can see, that went a lot smoother than taking the old motor out. Just slid it into place, dropped it down, and all 4 bolts dropped right into the subframe. That doesn't always happen. So now I got some buttoning up to do. Put the power steering back in, hook up the lines and stuff like that, put the master in, and get it all hooked up. And then I would like to get to the suspension and axles and all that, get it in today, but we'll see where we end up. I'd really like to wrap this video up. So I'll see where I get to. All right, there it is. Got the suspension back in it. Wheels are on, axles are in. Brake system's all buttoned up and we're good. Power steering, all that. So the engine bay is good to go. Now I think we'll just, I think in the next one I'll focus on getting all the bolt-ins in and wrapping up the rest of the build, getting all the doors welded shut and all that. And yeah, so we'll catch you in the next one.